Metal zippers begin with precision-rolled brass strip, the alloy of copper and zinc that provides the optimal combination of formability. The brass must have uniform grain structure to stamp cleanly without cracking, because each zipper tooth is formed from a single stamp. Molded zippers use engineering-grade nylon or polyacetyl polymers that provide the precise mechanical properties needed for reliable interlocking.
Zipper tape must provide exceptional dimensional stability, resistance to shrinkage, and secure anchorage for the tooth elements.
The facility maintains materials for producing every zipper type, from delicate invisible dress zippers to heavy-duty separating jacket zippers.
Tape weaving runs continuously to feed the enormous appetite of the downstream tooth attachment and chain assembly machines. Zipper tape must precisely match the garment fabric color, requiring the dye house to reproduce thousands of exact shade specifications.
Each tooth contains precision-formed locking geometry that enables reliable engagement and smooth separation thousands of times. The stamping department produces billions of individual metal zipper teeth per year, each one a precision-formed miniature mechanism.
Dye accuracy determines tooth geometry, which directly control the reliability and smoothness of the zipper's operation.
Each tooth is individually crimped onto the tape's beaded edge with precisely controlled force, enough to be permanent but not so much as to damage the tape.
Chain formation brings two element tapes together and meshes the teeth into the interlocked configuration that the consumer will operate.
Coil zippers use a continuous spiral of nylon monofilament that provides smooth operation and flexibility for lightweight garment applications. Vislin zippers have individually molded plastic teeth that provide bold visual impact and smooth, reliable operation. Three fundamentally different technologies producing the same functional result: reliable, smooth operating fasteners.
Gaps must be precisely located to accept the slider and provide correct top and bottom stops. Metal stops are crimped with exact force to permanently prevent the slider from running off the chain. Separating mechanisms allow the two halves to be completely separated, essential for jacket front closures.
The slider is arguably the most complex individual component, a miniature precision mechanism that must reliably mesh.
Slider bodies require precise finishing to eliminate any sharp edges that could snag fabric or injure fingers. The locking spring provides the auto-lock function that prevents the slider from drifting open under stress.
Pull tabs range from simple flat metal drops to branded custom designs. The slider's internal geometry is the key to zipper functionality. The Y-channel precisely controls the angle at which teeth engage and disengage. Slider finish provides both corrosion protection and aesthetic appeal.
Invisible zippers require a specialized slider that folds the tape to hide the coil behind the seam.
Waterproof zippers use a laminated film that seals the chain against water penetration for outdoor and marine applications.
Industrial zippers require larger teeth and heavier sliders to handle extreme loads.
The slider library serves every zipper application, from delicate fashion to heavy-duty industrial. The Quality Lab subjects every zipper type to extreme testing that simulates years of consumer use. Lateral strength testing verifies the zipper can withstand the stresses of tight-fitting garments and heavy loads.
Slider pull force must be low enough for easy operation, but high enough to prevent accidental opening.
Salt spray testing verifies the plating and alloy resist corrosion in humid or marine environments. Nickel-free compliance is legally required in many markets to prevent contact dermatitis.
Tape color migration testing prevents the nightmare of a blue zipper staining a white dress. Wash testing simulates years of consumer laundering.
Waterproof verification ensures zero water penetration under rated pressure. Formal release after comprehensive testing.
Every production lot permanently documented.
Each garment manufacturer orders zippers cut to exact lengths with specific slider types, pull tabs, and tape colors. Slider insertion is the final assembly step before the zipper is ready for garment manufacturing. The zipper factory supplies fasteners to garment manufacturers on every continent. Luxury brands specify unique finishes, custom pull-tab designs, and exclusive tape colors. Global distribution of billions of zippers annually. Massive inventory of every zipper specification.
Brass scrap is too valuable to waste and is recycled directly back into strip production.
Environmental responsibility in precision manufacturing.
Centralized monitoring of the entire multi-department operation.
Die maintenance maintains the micron-level precision that ensures reliable tooth interlocking.
All departments at full capacity.
Die changes enable the same press to produce different zipper sizes.
Quality and output coordination.
Innovation towards sustainable zipper materials.
When darkness falls, the stamping presses continue their violent, rapid production of billions of tiny interlocking mechanisms.
Night shift presses maintain identical stamping precision and speed. billions of tiny precision mechanisms marching through darkness.
Inside these machines, molten metal becomes precision mechanisms.
Precision manufacturing cleanliness maintained continuously. Kilometers of zipper chain produced every hour. The complete transformation from flat metal strip to functional fastener.
Automated precision sorting. One tooth. One of billions stamped this year from precision brass.
This facility produces the hidden fasteners inside virtually every garment and bag on Earth. The factory's purpose, the invisible reliability that millions of people depend on every day without a second thought. Zippers serve both functional and decorative purposes in fashion, available in every color, finish, and style.
In modern fashion, the zipper has evolved from hidden utility to bold design element.
The factory transforms raw metal and polymer into the world's essential fastener.
A facility producing more individual precision mechanisms than almost any other on Earth. Fresh teeth interlocking with practiced precision.
Every press stamping, every loom weaving, every machine assembling. Heavy-duty zippers protect the contents of millions of travelers' luggage worldwide.
Every fastener need, from delicate lingerie to massive outdoor gear, served by a single product family. The complete journey from brass strip to finished fastener in one frame.
Waterproof zippers keep outdoor enthusiasts dry in extreme conditions.
Airtight zippers serve the most demanding sealing applications. Industrial customers purchase continuous zipper chain by the kilometer.
Automotive zippers must withstand years of UV exposure and mechanical cycling.
The separating mechanism is a precision insert and lock system that allows complete halving. Fire-resistant zippers use specialized materials that maintain integrity under extreme heat.
Child-safe zipper designs incorporate chin guards that prevent painful skin pinching. The beaded cord is the structural foundation of the entire zipper system. Die accuracy of just a few microns determines billions of teeth quality.
Pull tab design ranges from purely functional to highly decorative fashion statements.
The synchronized operation of a facility producing the world's most relied-upon fastener. The same interlocking principle, scaled from the most delicate to the most extreme application. The zipper has evolved from an unreliable curiosity to the single most indispensable fastener in the world. In extreme conditions, zipper reliability becomes a survival factor.
Double slider applications provide access from both ends simultaneously.
The eternal production of the world's most essential hidden mechanism.
The beauty of precision engineering at miniature scale.
The zipper has evolved from hidden utility to celebrated fashion statement.
Global demand monitoring ensures supply meets the needs of garment factories on every continent.
Closed-loop brass recycling minimizes waste and virgin material consumption.
Zipper replacement extends the life of garments and belongings.
The collective violence of precision stamping at industrial scale.
Continuous production of the zipper's most complex component.
Every tooth stamped, every slider assembled, every chain tested. As evening falls, the night shift picks up the relentless pace of precision fastener production. One zipper, brass teeth, polyester tape, zinc slider, a miniature engineering marvel hidden inside nearly everything we wear and carry.
Metal, polymer, and precision engineering. Behind it, a magnificent